Sine die. Today we will learn the meaning of a Latin word sine die. Which words? Sine die. This is the words which is a Latin words. Now we will try to understand the meaning of these words in English. And second thing, we will try to learn where this word is used. Many places these words can be used, but commonly it is used in parliament or courts, sometime in board meetings of the company, and some other places it may be used. It is depends. Let's understand what is the meaning of words sine die. Sine die is a word which is a Latin word. Sine means without. Sine means without. And die means day. Means without day. Means without future day. Without future date. Sometime the parliament house is adjourned. Sine die. Parliament house is adjourned. Sine die means the proceeding of parliament has been adjourned for uncertain period without mentioning the date when the parliament will start again. Similarly, in court, the matter is also postponed, adjourned, sine die. Sine die means without mentioning the date of future. Without mentioning the future date. Future date is not mentioned when the matter is adjourned. When the matter is adjourned, sine die, without mentioning the future date, sometime the proceeding of the court is not followed in the correct way by the party who institute the case. In that case, court adjourn that matter sine die. Court says when you will follow the correct proceeding, the matter will be start, and you will be sent a notice that the matter can be start. Sometime the parties also request the court to sine die the matter. What is the case? Sometime we institute the case and the party to whom the notice to be sent is not traceable, and all the efforts has been made by the person who has instituted the case, and he is not finding the other party. In that case, he requests the court to adjourn the matter sine die. And the person requests the court, the person who has instituted the case, he requests the court when the party against whom the matter has been instituted, he will be find out, he will again start the proceeding till date the matter postponed without mentioning the date. So this is the meaning of word sine die. As court matter is sine die. So this is the meaning of word sine die. Sine die means without giving any future date. Anywhere it can be used. In Hindi it is called anishchit kal. Not giving any date. The words sine die is used in courts and sometime in court meetings also, and in parliament also. Okay, I think it is clear. Thank you very much for watching this video.